Mastering relative pronouns, a key to better English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial part of English grammar that will enhance your communication skills, relative pronouns. By mastering these, you can make your sentences more complex and engaging. So, buckle up and let's get started. The first step to conquering relative pronouns is to understand what they are. Relative pronouns are words that introduce relative clauses. They give additional information about a noun, which could be a person, place, or thing. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Who, this is used for people. Whom, this is also used for people, specifically in formal or written English. Whose, this is used to show possession. Which, this is used for things. That, this can be used for things or people. Now that we know what relative pronouns are, let's see how to use them in sentences. Remember, a relative pronoun introduces additional information about a noun. 1. Who, the woman who lives next door is a doctor. 2. Whom, the man to whom I spoke yesterday is my teacher. Formal. 3. Whose, the girl whose dog is barking is my sister. 4. Which, the book which is on the table is mine. 5. That, the movie that we watched yesterday was fantastic. It's time for some practice. I'll provide a sentence, and you try to fill in the blank with the appropriate relative pronoun. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's go. 1. The car, blank, I bought last week is really fast. 2. The lady, blank, you saw at the store is my aunt. 3. The boy, blank, cat climbed the tree is my friend. 4. The house, blank, is on the hill is very old. 5. The teacher, blank, taught us math was very good. That's a wrap for today's lesson on relative pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on those exercises and you'll master these in no time. Thank you for joining me in this journey to better English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.